Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is, what do you have that you cannot live without? What do you have that you cannot live without? We all have something that are very precious to us, and it can be anything. Uh, it can be a materialistic thing, it can be uh, non-physical or non-materialistic things. If I talk about me, for me, I don't have any materialistic thing which I cannot live without. I am absolutely can live without uh, anything, whatever I have. So that's the, if I don't have anything, I can build it again from scratch. So that's the competence that I have. And if I talk, if I really have to find out what is the thing that I cannot live without, that is my determination and self-confidence. So that stems from determination only. So if you take away this determination from me, I don't think I would survive really long enough. Uh, I can't imagine the journey and my life without it. So if I'm anything, uh, only because of my determination and that most faith, belief in myself, in my capabilities. That's the only thing. The the importance of identifying thing what you cannot live without is to reflect on and identify is that thing really matter to you or not. And if you identify such thing, then you also become aware of what your weaknesses and your strength. If you want to take away something from this table topic, that is identify what is that thing about you that you cannot live without it. It can be anything. Just think about it and you will get the answers. Thank you. Over to